Looking for the best Bluetooth label maker to keep your home, office, or business organized? We've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best Bluetooth label maker machines, breaking down their features, pros, and cons, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Phomemo D30 Bluetooth label maker machine. The Phomemo D30 Bluetooth label maker is a sleek, compact, and versatile tool for anyone looking to streamline their labeling tasks. Designed with cutting-edge thermal printing technology and packed with creative features, this label maker caters to a variety of needs, from home organization to professional labeling. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros: compact and portable design. The D30 is significantly smaller and lighter than traditional label makers, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Its portability ensures on-the-go usability. Whether you're labeling files at the office, organizing your kitchen, or managing stock in a warehouse. Cost-effective thermal printing technology. Utilizing thermal printing, the D30 eliminates the need for ink, toner, or ribbons, reducing ongoing costs. The availability of colorful thermal label tapes adds creative flexibility while keeping expenses low. Enhanced print quality. Equipped with a German thermal print head, the D30 boasts a 25% improvement in print clarity, delivering sharp and precise labels. Hassle-free operation ensures smooth and consistent performance. Versatile customization options. The Phomemo app offers access to over 1,000 symbols, 60-plus frames, and various fonts, enabling users to create highly personalized labels. Advanced features include barcode and QR code generation, Excel imports, OCR, voice recognition, and timestamps, catering to both casual and professional use cases. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity. The D30 connects seamlessly to mobile devices via Bluetooth, allowing for quick and convenient printing. The app interface is user-friendly, making it easy to design and print labels in minutes. Built-in rechargeable battery. A durable rechargeable battery powers the label maker, ensuring extended use without constant recharging or battery replacements. Cons. Limited durability of thermal labels. While thermal printing is cost-effective, the labels may fade over time when exposed to heat, sunlight, or moisture, making them unsuitable for long-term outdoor use. The Phomemo D30 Bluetooth label maker machine is an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable, portable, and feature-rich label maker. Its innovative thermal printing technology and app-based customization make it ideal for home organization, office tasks, and light professional use. Coming in at number 4, the Nelko P21 Bluetooth label maker machine. The Nelko P21 Bluetooth label maker is a portable and innovative labeling device tailored for personal, home, office, and educational use. With its compact design, high-quality thermal printing, and extensive customization options, this device brings convenience and creativity to label making. Here's a detailed review of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your labeling needs. Pros. Portable and convenient. The Nelko P21's compact size and lightweight design make it highly portable, fitting easily into a pocket or bag. Its wireless Bluetooth connection adds flexibility for on-the-go use. Ink-free and eco-friendly. With direct thermal technology, there's no need for ink or toner, reducing waste and operating costs. The BPA-free materials enhance safety for everyday use. Easy-to-use app integration. The Nelko app simplifies label creation with intuitive templates and diverse customization options, ensuring users of all skill levels can produce professional-looking labels. Multi-purpose functionality. From organizing household items to professional office tasks, the label maker serves a wide range of purposes, making it a versatile tool for different environments. Durable battery life. The rechargeable battery supports extended use, reducing interruptions during large labeling tasks. Customization and creativity. With a vast array of fonts, templates, and materials, the Nelko P21 caters to creative users who want personalized and visually appealing labels. Cons: fixed label sizes. The inability to customize label sizes may restrict some users who need more flexibility in label dimensions. The Nelko P21 Bluetooth label maker is an excellent choice for users seeking a portable, easy-to-use, and versatile labeling solution. Its high-quality thermal printing, broad customization options, and eco-friendly design make it suitable for home, office, school, and holiday applications. At number 3, we have the Supvan E10 Bluetooth Label Maker Machine. The Supvan E10 Bluetooth Label Maker Machine is a user-friendly and feature-packed device designed for home, office, and school organization. With its versatile label options, powerful customization tools, and durable laminated labels, it offers an efficient labeling solution for various needs. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this compact yet powerful label maker. Pros: multifunctional labeling for various settings. Versatile applications, perfect for organizing home supplies, labeling office devices, and managing school materials. Dual label options, supports continuous label tape for custom lengths and fixed size labels for bulk printing, catering to diverse requirements. Durable laminated labels. Labels are waterproof, oil-proof, scratch-resistant, and heat-resistant, making them suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, and harsh environments. The residue-free adhesive ensures clean removal, which is ideal for temporary labels. Powerful app with extensive customization. The app offers 40 fonts, 30 frames, and 450+ icons to design professional and personalized labels. Free access to all customization features eliminates the need for additional subscriptions or fees. User-friendly and cost-effective. Hassle-free setup. No registration is required for the app, ensuring quick and straightforward usage. Ink-free technology eliminates the need for ink or toner, significantly reducing maintenance costs. The rechargeable battery lasts up to a month on a single charge, adding convenience and portability. Built-in cutter. A built-in cutter simplifies the labeling process, providing clean and precise cuts for both continuous and fixed-size labels. Cons: limited industrial features. The Supvan E10 is not ideal for heavy-duty industrial applications or high-volume label printing needs. The Supvan E10 Bluetooth Label Maker Machine stands out as a versatile, cost-effective, and portable labeling solution. Its durable laminated labels and extensive customization options make it a great fit for home, office, and school use. While its app dependency and Bluetooth-only connectivity may be limiting for some, the Supvan E10's overall ease of use, affordability, and durable label quality make it an excellent choice for day-to-day labeling tasks. Next up at number 2 is the Niimbot D110 Bluetooth Label Maker Machine. The Niimbot D110 Bluetooth Label Maker offers a modern and compact approach to labeling, ideal for personal, home, school, and small business use. With advanced thermal printing, an intuitive app, and versatility in label design, this device has garnered attention for its innovative features. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: cost savings. The thermal printing technology eliminates the need for costly ink or toner, reducing ongoing expenses significantly. Compact and portable. The lightweight design allows easy portability, making it ideal for both home use and on-the-go labeling needs. Automatic label recognition. Thanks to the RFID chip, the device automatically detects label sizes and types, reducing setup time and minimizing errors. Extensive design options. The Niimbot app provides an array of creative tools, including customizable fonts, symbols, and the ability to import data from Excel for efficient label creation. Versatile label compatibility. Supports various label types, including round and decorative options, making it suitable for a wide range of uses. Rechargeable and durable. The rechargeable battery ensures consistent performance without frequent replacements, and its durability supports prolonged use. Cons: Monochrome printing. The device only supports black text printing, limiting color options despite its compatibility with colorful label tapes. The Niimbot D110 Bluetooth label maker is a compact, cost-effective, and versatile tool for a variety of labeling tasks. Its advanced features, such as RFID-enabled label recognition, creative app tools, and thermal printing technology, make it a standout option for personal and professional use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother P Touch Cube Plus Bluetooth Label Maker Machine. The Brother P Touch Cube Plus Bluetooth Label Maker Machine is a compact and flexible device designed for home, office, and creative business needs. With Bluetooth connectivity, robust software compatibility, and versatile tape options, it offers a feature-rich labeling experience. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for your labeling tasks. Pros: customizable and pre-designed templates. Flexible label printing. The device supports both pre-designed and custom labels, allowing you to tailor your labels for different applications. Variety of templates. Offers a wide selection of pre-designed templates for home, office, retail, and crafting, saving time and effort. Versatile tape options. Supports zoo tapes. Compatible with tapes up to 1 wide in various colors, patterns, and finishes, including premium options like glitter and metallic. Durability. The tapes are known for their durability, being water-resistant, fade-resistant, and long-lasting, suitable for various environments. Portable and convenient. Compact design, lightweight and portable, ideal for on-the-go labeling needs. Built-in battery. Comes with a built-in rechargeable Li-ion battery for extended use, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. USB charging. Convenient USB connectivity for charging or direct use. Ready-to-use starter kit. Includes black on white starter tape and a black on premium glitter gold starter tape, so you can begin labeling immediately. Cons. Label size limitation. Maximum label width is 1 inch, which might be insufficient for users requiring larger labels for industrial or heavy-duty applications. The Brother P Touch Cube Plus Bluetooth Label Maker is a versatile and portable device tailored for personal, professional, and creative labeling tasks. With robust software compatibility, pre-designed templates, and durable tape options, it's an excellent choice for users who value customization and convenience.